Hello friends, welcome back to Decor Catalog. In today's video, we are going to discuss modern bathroom mirror styles and designs. In the realm of interior design, mirrors have rationalized from mere functional items to essential elements that enhance the aesthetic appeal of bathrooms. A well-chosen mirror can transform a space, making it feel larger, brighter, and more inviting. Today we will explore various styles and designs that are trending in modern bathrooms, helping find the perfect mirror to complement your space. Frameless mirrors are a popular choice for modern bathrooms due to their sleek and minimalistic look. They create an illusion of more space and can fit seamlessly into any decor. One of the main benefits of frameless mirror is their versatility. They can be hung in various orientations without the constraints of a frame. Additionally, they are easy to clean, offering a smooth surface that is simple to maintain. To enhance their appeal, consider pairing them with bold lighting for a striking contrast or option for backlit options that add a contemporary touch. Round mirrors are making a significant comeback in bathroom design. Their soft edges provides a contrast to angular fixtures and help create a more balanced look. One of the advantages of round mirrors is that they soften sharp lines, making them great for balancing out square or rectangular ventiles. They also add visual interest, serving as a unique focal point in the bathroom. For a dramatic effect, use a large round mirror above the sink and consider combining it with geometric tiles for an elastic vibe. Vintage-inspired mirrors bring a touch of nostalgia and charm to bathroom. These mirrors often feature ornate frames that can add character to the space. One of their key benefits is the unique character that provide. Each piece tells a story and adds personality to the room. Furthermore, vintage mirrors have a timeless appeal, blending seamlessly with the contemporary decor. To create an enthusiast look, use antique finishes to distress frames and pair their mirrors with modern fixtures for a chic position. LED mirrors are a game changer in the bathroom design, combining functionality with modern technology. They provide excellent illusion and offer come with fixtures like defogging, which enhances their practicality. The main advantage of LED mirror is their enhanced lighting, making them perfect for makeup application and grooming. Additionally, they are energy efficient, consuming less power and lasting longer than traditional lighting options. When selecting an LED mirror, choose one with adjustable brightness for customizable lighting and consider installing it as a part of a larger vanity setup for a cohesive look. Statement mirrors are bold, oversized pieces that serve as the centerpiece of the bathroom. They come in various shapes and styles, making them a versatile choice for any decor. One of the primary benefits of statement mirrors is their ability to act as a focal point, instantly elevating the design of any bathroom. They enhance reflective beauty by maximizing natural light and creating a sense of openness. For maximum impact, hung a large statement mirror above a double vanity, an option for unique shapes like hexagons designs to add flair to your space. In conclusion, modern bathroom mirrors are not just functional, they are vital design elements that can elevate the overall aesthetic of your space. Whether you prefer the sleek look of frameless mirrors, the charm of vintage designs, or the innovation of LED options, there's a mirror style to suit every taste and bathroom theme. As you embark on your bathroom renovation or redesign, remember to consider how your choice of mirror can enhance both the functionality and beauty of your space. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more design tips and inspiration. Your support helps us create more content like this, and we do love to have you join our channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found inspiration for your next bathroom project. Take care. Bye.